So I think I better go. I never really know how to please you. You're looking at me like I'm see-through. Guess I'm gonna go. I just never know how you feel. Do you even feel anything? You said don't treat me badly, but you said it so sadly. So I did the best I could, not thinking you would have left me gladly. I know you're not sorry. Why should you be? 'Cause who am I to be in love when your love was never for me? Me. So I think I better go. I never really know how to please you. You're looking at me like I'm see-through. I guess I'm gonna go. I just never know how you feel. Do you even feel anything? Alright, for this song, 8 by Billie Eilish, we only have 4 chords. We have C, C major 7, we have D minor, which is just like an F with an extra finger added, and a G. So when you're thinking about changing in between these chords, when you play with your 3rd finger on your C, you could simply just slide it down to the 2nd fret, or you could actually play your 2nd finger, which means you just need to lift that 3rd finger, C, C major 7, which makes it a bit easier. And then from there to D minor, you just need to think about your 2nd finger on the A string jumping up to the 2nd fret of your G string. Your 3rd finger goes immediately underneath on your C string, and your 1st finger on the 1st fret of your E string, D minor. You want to try to make sure they all go down together, but for now lead with that 2nd finger and the others will fall into place. From there, back to G. From D minor to G, that middle finger goes back again to where it was for C major 7. And then your 1st finger goes on the 2nd fret of your C string and your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of your E string, which makes a bit of a triangle shape for G if you haven't played it before. If you haven't played these chords, check out my video, first 4 chords. From G back to C, you're simply focusing on your 3rd finger and it goes down a string towards your toes, back to C. As for the strumming pattern, hold up nice and high so you can see, I'm playing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. And I do a little tap in between. So you've got down, down, up, tap, down, up, tap, down, up, tap, up, down, up. Then change, down, down, up, tap, down, up, tap, down, up, tap, up, down, up. If you tap with your hand so that your thumb is below your strings, it's easier to go up from there. You could just play the island strum for this if that's too hard. It would still sound good. Wait a minute, let me finish. I know you don't care. Can you listen? So that's with the island strum. If you're not sure how to play the island strum, check out my video on the island strum, or simply just strum one each. Wait a minute, let me finish. I know you don't care, but can you listen? If you found any of this video useful today or you enjoyed what you saw, please do me a favour and click subscribe so I can keep bringing these videos to you weekly. And if you don't want to miss a single lesson, cover or tutorial, don't forget to ring that bell and give us a thumbs up.